Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable retweets notifications from anyone on X, Twitter, using your PC. Let's dive into the steps together. To get started, open X and navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture located in the top right corner. From there, select Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. In the left-hand column, find and click on the Web Notifications option to manage your notification preferences. Within the Notification Types menu, locate and click on Preferences to customize your notification settings further. Next, click on Push Notifications to specify how you want to receive notifications on Twitter. Under the Retweets section, choose the option from anyone to receive notifications whenever your tweets are retweeted by anyone. Lastly, don't forget to save your changes by clicking the designated button. Your settings are now updated to notify you about retweets from anyone on Twitter. By following these simple steps, you can stay informed and engaged with your Twitter audience. Thank you for watching.